Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are continuing our exploration of idioms and phrases focusing on those that start with the letter J and K. These expressions can enrich your vocabulary and make our conversations more engaging. Let's dive in and uncover the meanings and examples of these idiomatic phrases. First one is jack of all trades. It means a person who is competent in many skills but may not be a specialist in any one. For example, Sarah is a jack of all trades. She can paint, write, cook and even fix computers. Next is join hands. It means to work together in a cooperative effort. For example, the community joined hands to clean up the park after the storm. Let's see some phrases of K. First is keep an eye on. It means to watch or look after someone or something carefully. For example, could you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom? Next is keep in touch. It means to maintain communication with someone. For example, even after moving to different cities, they promise to keep in touch. Next is keep on. It means to continue doing something. For example, despite the setbacks, she decided to keep on working towards her goal. Next is keep track of. It means to monitor or record the progress or whereabouts of someone or something. For example, I use a planner to keep track of my appointments and deadlines. Next is keep up. It means to continue doing something at the same level or same rate. For example, you are doing great, keep up the good work. Next is kill time. It means to do something to pass the time while waiting for someone else or something else. For example, we played cards to kill time while waiting for the train. Next is kith and kin. It means friends and family. For example, during the holidays, it's nice to gather with kith and kin. And last one is knock down. It means to demolish or bring to the ground, also can mean to reduce a price. For example, the old building was knocked down to make way for a shopping mall. That's a wrap for today's video on idioms and phrases starting with J and K. We hope you enjoyed learning about these expressions and found them useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more linguistic insights and fun facts. Let us know in the comments if there are any specific idioms or phrases you would like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.